Well, you filed your bankruptcy and your discharge came in the mail and you wonder, what can I expect after bankruptcy? My name is Andy Foreman and I'm a business and consumer bankruptcy lawyer in Tampa, Florida, and I help people file bankruptcy every day. What can you expect after bankruptcy? Well, I'll tell you what you cannot expect. You shouldn't expect the phone to ring. You shouldn't expect collection calls. You shouldn't expect collection letters. Quiet and peace of mind. I'm Andy Foreman. Good luck rebuilding your credit and your life after bankruptcy.